over the last few conversations we've had since yesterday, there's been a lot of a debate here and there whether government really supports, whether it's stifling through regulation. And I had one of our panelists here, Hanu, say, one of the key hurdles they have to jump is government regulation. But thanks a lot for that answer. I don't know whether any of our panelists as well wanted to give in into that, what Claire asked about, this inequality being so much there, ongoing for 3 decades, and have feeling that financial innovation alone may not bridge the gap without the help of government and investors. Hanu, I'm not going to leave you hanging on this, so I want to know what's your thought on that as well.
Well, I'm glad you asked because I was about to come in anyways.
Good.
So it's very simple for me, right? And it's even more logical when I think about it, right? So I think it starts with the government, not even the investors, right? Because investors wouldn't want to put their money where it's not stable. I'm an investor. I wouldn't go to a country or a state that doesn't support my product, or a country or a state where in the next 2 years, after I've spent millions of dollars in investments, a policy comes out and boom, that's the end of my business, right? So the government needs to do a lot of work in having the economies of our African countries stable, because that will in turn boost investors' confidence, and then we can begin to go about the conversations of what size of deals we're going to get, because Africa is young. Right, we are ready and we are ripe for the taking. But the problem with Africa is, over time, I've realized that we rather, not we per se, but what happens is we rather buy the product than build the product. Right, and this is because somebody elsewhere has laws that favors the product to be built, and we just go and spend money that we don't even have, buying products that sometimes we don't even need. And these products are not built for Africans. They are not tailored to us. So we have to bend and adapt to all of these. So I think it actually starts with the government making it a favorable climate, making it open, and boosting investors' confidence. Over time, we will begin to see. And last year alone, we had the highest ever investment in Africa since the history of VCs investing in Africa. So these people are there. They are not blind to what's happening, but you'd always weigh the risk, and you put your money with less risks wherever there is less risks. So these are my thoughts on this.